Bonjour class! Today you're going to be taking your first exit quiz. This is going to be basically to practice using the exit quiz form on Schoology. And it will just be over the different procedures for our class and expectations that you saw in the Schoology slides for today. So all of these quizzes are going to be out loud. So I'll make a video like this. I will say the prompt to the questions out loud, and then it's just 10 true or false questions. These ones are going to be in English, so it's even easier for you. So when you go to take this quiz, you're going to open up Schoology. You're going to click on Exit Quiz Form, and there you will find a listening exit quiz Google form. You'll put in your name, you will choose which hour that you have French, and then you will go ahead and answer these questions. As you could probably figure out, but just in case, vrai et faux, ça veut dire true or false. So just go ahead and answer true or false for each of these. So once you have that pulled up on your screen, you can pause the video if you need to. Once you have it pulled up on your screen, I will start asking the questions. I'm going to go ahead and count in French, but I'll show you the finger symbols as well. This way you'll start listening and understanding the numbers. So, numéro 1. Numéro 1. You need markers in this class. You need markers in this class. Would that be vrai ou faux? Numéro 2. You need a notebook for this class. You need a notebook for this class. Numéro 3. Numéro 3. We will have a Google Meet every day. We will have a Google Meet every day. Numéro 4. 4. There will be singing in this class. There will be singing in this class. Numéro 5. Numéro 5. We will never play games. We will never play games. Numéro 6. Numéro 6. There will not be a lot of quizzes in this class. There will not be a lot of quizzes in this class. Is that statement vrai ou faux? Numéro 7. Numéro 7. We will learn through stories. We will learn through stories. Vrai ou faux? Numéro 8. Numéro 8. Bonjour means goodbye. Bonjour means goodbye. Numéro 9. Oops. Numéro 9. We will have a research project in this class. We will have a research project in this class. Numéro 10. Numéro 10. You will not succeed in this class if you have a negative attitude. You will not succeed in this class if you have a negative attitude. Okay? So pretty easy. Hopefully that was not super hard for you, wasn't super stressful, and some of them were just kind of joke questions just to get you used to using this exit quiz form. So once you're finished, you will hit submit at the bottom, and I will take those scores, and that will be your very first grade. Actually, it may not be your first grade. It might be after the Flipgrid for the online class, but it will be one of your first grades. Okay, au revoir, class.